For day 17, we have light pink. And of course, all I could think of were Japanese cherry blossoms. So much weeaboo. Anyway, I also wanted an atmospheric mountain, and I really like the Tsumie style of painting. So I thought maybe I could try and replicate that with my black brush Posca. If you don't know what Tsumie is, it literally translates to ink picture, and it's a traditional style of Japanese painting. But yeah, so ink is a lot thinner than acrylic paint, pen paint. I couldn't really get it to do what I wanted. The separate fibers of the brush were just not cooperating very well. I mean, I think I made it work. I think it turned out okay. And it sort of does look like that ink style. The black part anyway. Adding the next part with the cherry blossoms, maybe not so much, but yeah, as you can see, I did include Fujisan, as it is a staple of a lot of Japanese art, with what was supposed to be the sun rising over it, since Land of the Rising Sun and all, but the more I looked at it, the more I thought it looked like a moon? Do not ask me why, I'm not quite sure myself, but so once the mountain and non-denominational celestial orb were added, along with lots of branches, it was time to add the flowers. Lots and lots and lots of pink cherry blossom clusters, mostly with a large 5M Posca pen. Since when I make a dot with it, that makes the most usefully sized petals without much additional work. So yeah, I did that for a while. And then once it was dry, I added little white lines in the center for stamens. Added some petals blowing dramatically in the wind, again because weeaboo and anime, ahaha. I also added some texture with the white brush over the non-denominational celestial orb, which I think made it look more like a moon, and I do actually really like the texture. After that, this one was finished. I needed another simple one after my struggle with yesterday's weirdly posed boy from a weird angle hurting my brain. So this is what we ended up with, and I super like it a lot actually. So yeah, that's light pink. Check. Done. See you tomorrow for the next one.